What I'm gonna do right here is go back, way back into time.
It's the permanent pictures that permeate the premises, housing these thoughts acting as my arch nemesis, trying to blemish this mind that finds all my moments embraced by the pictures that hung on the wall. Happy faces in adolescent years, chasing my identity, trying to find serenity within myself, looking for help but never really asking for it. It's like an everlasting chorus that just plays in the back of my mind to bring me back in time. It just reclines, and just reclines. Cause sometimes I just seize the moment to meditate, sit deep on my chair in silence with no pen to levitate above the pages. Only thoughts that casually pass like sands in an hourglass, with waves of thought crest in my mind like white caps in the Atlantic Ocean. So I'm left mentally floating in this place I can't explain. The hallways of life are better known as memory lane. Memory lane, memory lane.
My memory,
it's my memories,
the distant memories,
all my
memories.
It's the memories that bring me back in time. It's been many phases of ins and outs, pains and struggles that turned into tears and doubts, and shouts from a foul stepdad who only got worse as the time raced. I thought we were cursed, but I'm so glad that we parted ways and moved to a new place, a new state, from Cali to the land lakes. The land lake, just me and my mom's, a fresh new start. Back to our roots where we once parted from, in between small towns and reservations, where our family was strong and spiritually rich. In the town of Federal Dam, where things seemed to switch from the fast-paced living to that country life. I grew up in a town no larger than 99 people that resided here. They all resided here, right here. This was my home throughout my high school years.
My memory,
it's my memories,
the distant memories,
the distant memories,
all my memories.
It's the memories, that bring me back in time. And now I sit 25 years old with dreams and fantasies, hoping to travel foreign lands one day. But tell me, how can it be that life could just hurt so much? It wasn't until now I understood the power of woman's touch and the words that said, I love you, my son. These were the same words that caused my emotions to run deep, way deeper than the belly of the ocean. It's what triggered thoughts that caused memories to start roller coasting of a dad. Is it because I've never really had this ever since I left the womb and entered this earthly atlas, new with single parent status? Yo, this is enough to cause a kid to flood tears upon a mattress, wondering if we could ever be reunited. I guess not, but I wouldn't trade anything in the world for the love my mom provided through the thick and the thin. That's why it's hard when to start in the perfect spot where to end, cause trials and tribulations were at the clutch of our existence. And if you would've given up, we would've never made it. It was through your persistence we pushed on to stay strong. I thank you, Lord God, for my mom's love, word is born.
My memory,
it's my memories, the distant memories,
all my memories.
It's the memories,
the memories
that bring me back in time.